The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
I have been through a whole lot of things, and it's a really tough thing to keep that a secret. So I wanted to start out by apologizing to my family for, disconnecting myself and pretending that I was okay and going ghost and not answering FaceTimes. The manipulation and everything, it stops now. I'm putting an end to it. The bashing, the slandering of my name, people inboxing me and telling me that I really didn't love the person and I was there for this and that reason. Every time that I left, it was for a damn good reason. And if me leaving because I'm being abused means that I don't love you, then so be it. I am going to love myself more than that person. Imagine having to hide your bruises and your being battered from your family. Imagine after being abused and assaulted, you have to console the person that hurt you because now they're distraught. They want to harm themselves. So now you don't even have the chance to heal. You don't even have the chance to be upset. You have to now console that person. Imagine being bruised and battered after that. Imagine going through all of those things and you still have to have sex. You're still expected to be delightful, like there's nothing wrong with you when your face is unrecognizable. Imagine letting people know in your circle what's going on with you. And their first question is, well, what did you do? As if there was anything that I could have done to deserve that. That's disgusting to me. That's disgusting. Because it didn't happen to me once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. It happened too many times. Too many times. So when you guys, the viewers and the fans, think that you know me or what I've been through, have some respect for yourself. Have some respect as a woman, as a mother, a father. I'm somebody's mother. And I didn't deserve any of that. So how dare you ask me what I did? There's a lot of people contacting me about a lot of crazy things. I've never, ever cheated in my relationship. Not one time. Not one time. So when you get caught doing what you're doing, your first defense is to turn it around on me. You have a huge platform and you think that you can just destroy me. But I'm taking my power back tonight. It stops tonight. The slandering of my name, the abuse, the control, the manipulation, the sexual abuse, I'm putting a stop to it tonight. So you can continue to pretend to be who you are, but I know the truth. And I'm not keeping any secrets anymore. I'm not protecting anymore. Now it's time for me to protect myself.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media where it is said that a female said that she was in a abusive relationship with a comedian who goes by the name of Majah on social media. You see it? Now, some places on social media, it is said that the female is Majah's wife. You understand? I cannot confirm if the female is actually married to Majah Hype or not. You see me? It's not like I know everything about Majah Hype. You see me? So therefore, I want you to please bear in mind that I'm only telling you according to some things that have been said on social media about the video. And please bear in mind that there are more informations out there about this video that is circulating on social media, where it is said that a female said that she was in a abusive relationship with a comedian who goes by the name of Majah. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so you can let me know what to think about that video, and with that, I'm going to move on to another video right about now. Alright? Now, the next video that I am going to present to you, this video is out on social media, where it is said that this video shows when a police officer assaulted a disabled person. Now, there's not much I can say about this video, but according to some things that have been said on social media about the video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I get the understanding that this video shows persons who are said to be police officers from within the continent that is known as Africa doing some things that are considered to be bad to a person in a wheelchair. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that you are about to see in this video. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Why cut the fact? What is the West? Why must arrest me?
He said me. He said that.
He's in front of you. Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? Where? I didn't see nothing.
Let's get out.
Started with me.
One of you guys started with me.
Yeah.
No, I can't say
Pick it up this guy. Pick it up this guy. Pick it up this guy, please. Why are you doing this to this old man? Why are you doing this to this old man? Why you cannot arrest this guy? But you didn't see this guy is picked up and this guy is throwing you out.
Because you are recording at the police station, otherwise you're going to arrest me. Because you are the safety of these members here. You better get out. I told you to get out in the first place. You were not supposed to be here. You're not arrested, you're not allowed.
Why you keep me
Hi, bro. If you stop,
take it, nobody can tell you. Take it, nobody can tell you. Nobody can tell you. This is our country.
It's a crime against
This is our country. This is not a criminal government. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him, man. You are racist, man. Tell us, boy, I'm going to kill man.
Viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I presented this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. So what I'm saying to you, I mean, many comments have been made about this video on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are upset about some of the things that the police officers did to the person in the wheelchair. You understand? Some of the comments also gave me the understanding that some persons are asking what could have caused something like this to have happened. You see me? Me, Dancehall Skilla, I like to pay attention to not only what's going on within the country that I'm from, but worldwide. Is what I'm saying to you. And as long as I understand what's going on, I'm going to bring it to you and tell you to the best of my understanding or the best of my knowledge what I know about the incident and keep you up to date and posted. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the continent of Africa this incident happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when the incident happened. You see me? But this video is out on social media and is being talked about, and I present it to you so that you can take a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. Alright? Yeah, and you can also let me know what you think about the video that's out on social media, where it is said that a female said that she was in an abusive relationship with a person who goes by the name of Majah on social media. Alright? Now here's where I'm going to leave it, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno pick up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.